What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a slide out contact form or sidebar menu contact form into your WordPress website for free. So this contact form that appears into any page that you would like to appear into your WordPress website, all we have to do is click or make this opens by default. Okay, so it's a slide out or a sidebar or a sliding contact form that you can customize, change from left, from right. You can change the position, you can change the colors, and you can change the contact form that appears right here independently if you are using any contact form plugins that you like. Ninja Forms, Contact Form 7, WP Forms, any contact form that you want. Okay, all is simple, fast, effective, and completely free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and site's favor. So let's get this started. Thing, navigate to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on add new plugin. Okay. Into this step, we're gonna be installing the slide out feature. Okay, so into the upper right corner of our screen, into a field next to keyword called let's search plugins, we're gonna type WP contact slider, and this is the guy that we are looking for. Okay, click on install now. Click into the activate button. The plugin gonna redirect you to the update page. You can skip this step. Okay, up to you. Now we're gonna need to create our contact form. If you already have yours, no problem, you can jump this step. But starting at the point that you don't have a contact form to be slided out, I'm gonna create one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna hover my mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin. Into right here, I'm gonna type contact form. You can choose any contact form plugin that you want. I'm gonna choose the WP Forms because it's simpler. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins welcome page, a page where you can create your first form. That is what we're gonna do. Create your first form. I'm gonna choose from some available templates. Okay, so you have no need to create the form from the scratch. Available templates, and I'm gonna use the simple contact form, but you have a couple of extra forms right here that you can choose. Okay, I'm gonna use this template. So here is my form. Remember that you can fully customize the form in the way that you want, but once this is just an example, I just want the form to show you. Okay, you have no need to create pages or anything like this. Okay, all you have to do is save your form, click into the embed, and click right here into this little part, use shortcode, and copy this shortcode. Independently of the contact form that you are using, you will have a place where you can find the shortcode. Okay, so copy the contact form shortcode independently of the form that you are using. Okay, now let me go back to my WordPress dashboard. And now I'm gonna move to this new item that appeared on our left sidebar menus as soon as we installed the slider contact form. And I'm gonna hover my mouse over it and click on add new contact slider, submenu. I'm gonna apply this to a title, FFF maybe. You can change the label text color, the label background color, the label border color, slider text color, slider background color, form background color, form border color. Now the display settings, you can display into the left or into the right. Enable scroll bar, up to you. Hide on small devices like mobile devices, up to you as well. Open slider by default, up to you. Display on home, yes please. Display on all pages, again up to you. Okay, your needs. Display on selected posts or page. You can select a couple of pages and posts to display your form instead of displaying this in all of your pages. Okay, now what would you like to display? Let me apply some zoom. I would like to display a short code. You can apply text or HTML as well, okay? But I would like to display a short code. What short code? The short code that we did copied on WP Forms. Type. We can apply some type of short code, okay? I can explain to the plugin what type. It's not needed, but good, okay? I will leave this empty. Now I'm gonna save my change. Now let's review the site. And here is the results we got. Would you like to change this text? No problem. Let's type contact us. Here is the form. Would you like to change its position? No problem as well. Let's move it to right. Don't forget to update. And here is into the right side of my page. We can, of course, change the other colors in the case that you need. Maybe the slider background color. Fancy, right? And it is. You can customize this in the way that you want. Let's make it opens by default. As you can see, it opens automatically. What else we can do? We can change the label background color, the label border. There is a couple of options to customize this in the way that you want and create the form that you want. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your site, page, app design, game, mobile app, anything that you want is free as well. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, plugins, icons, support, and many more features to create the site that you need. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!